Hello everyone, Justin here, and today I'm going to show you how to draw Pac-Man from the famous arcade game. And his head is going to be circular, so let's just go ahead and start by drawing the left side. And then right here will be his foot, so let's go ahead and draw an oval. And we'll be able to see part of his leg right here. Let's just draw an angled line, and let's continue the circle, just kind of keeping track of where we're going here. Try to make it as circular as we can, which is not always that easy. Let's draw the eyebrows, and they are basically just triangles that stick up above the head. This one will extend further into the head as far as the line goes, and then we can finish off the top of the head. So right here will be the mouth. We'll just extend it from one side to the other, and there'll be a wrinkle on the one corner. Let's continue with a big curve then at the bottom for the rest of the mouth, and under here will be the tongue, and it's just a wavy line. And let's blacken the back of the mouth. And give the foot just a little bit of thickness there. Okay, let's continue on by drawing the nose. I'm going to switch over to my thinner Sharpie so that I can get better detail. And I'm just going to taper the line so it's a little bit thicker at the tip of the nose. And then let's go ahead and draw the one eye, and it'll be coming off the nose here. And it's just an oval that's partially hidden, but don't complete it completely. Don't complete it all the way, because right here will be a triangular cutaway, which will be the highlight of the eye. This drawing is a fairly graphic representation of Pac-Man. And now we can draw the other eye, which is just a V-shape line here, looking like his eye is closed. So let's go ahead and draw his right arm and hand. Let's start by drawing the right hand, and it's just a five-sided shape. So draw the sides so they're angled out a little bit, and then it forms a roof, kind of like a house. And then we can form the forearm right here. Draw the thumb as well, and then the arms with these two lines. And we'll do the same thing on this side. Straight line, right angled line to it, and then a line that tilts away just a little bit, and then the top of the fist, and finally back down. So it's a five-sided shape. And let's draw the thumb here, and then a curved line for the arm behind, and then, or forearm, and then the hand, and then the arm. Okay, let's draw the left leg. First we'll draw the leg with an angled line, then curve the end of the leg right here, back up, and then finish off that leg. And then wrapped around here will be an oval to show his foot, or the boot of his foot. So from here we're going to go down, and then right here would be the bottom of the foot, go out, and then back, and finish off the foot. So that's it, guys. This was Pac-Man. Very simple, easy. It looks like an emoji with appendages, arms and legs. So thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you next time. Have a great day. Bye.